Welcome to the incredible CUBOT Max 3, and I'll show you how to mute ringtone volume on this device. So first you should open the settings application and then tap on the sound section. Now here we can see a ringtone notification volume panel. Just to mute your device ringtone, you should hold and swipe to the left side. There is blue dot with your finger. Also, you can make it by the second way. Just first you should press up or down volume button on the left side of your phone and then click here on the settings icon. Now we can see here the full volume panels section, and just to mute your device ringtone by the same way, hold and swipe to the left side ringtone volume panel and then just tap to done to save the changes. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.